Welcome to our Marty video.
I'm Reina.
I'm Angelina.
I'm Carly.
And I'm Catherine.
This is our Marty presentation. Our theme is sustainable fashion. It all started with a friend mentioning that she needed to donate some clothes for her cat. And one thing led to another, and now we have enough pet clothes for our fashion show. So how it is sustainable? We use those clothes to clothe each Marty, and those donations were repurposed and redesigned to fit each Marty. We have 5 characters, 3 models, 1 judge, and 1 drummer. This is the code for our models, drummer, and judge respectively. At the start of the video, 3 Martys will enter the fashion show runway, and they will pose at the center to showcase their outfits. Then, the drummer will begin the show with music. Finally, the judge will make its decision, and that Marty will be crowned as the champion.
This is how we worked. We each have different strengths and abilities. 2 members were in charge of coding, 1 was in charge of arts and designs, and 1 is good at doing speeches and presentations. Our aim for this project is to promote sustainability and encourage sustainable fashion, as we are using pet clothes and we are making the Marty video, which involves a popular culture. Our song choice was Dress to Impress because it is a popular game that is played by many, ranging from small kids to grown-ups. We chose the song as we want our Marty video to be relatable for many, simulating the catwalk part of the game. We hope you enjoy this video as much as we do. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.